Hey there! Today we're going to do some autumn-inspired octagon-shaped resin coasters. I've already mixed my resin 10 ounces. I'm going to clear it, hit start. We're going to time it as well as the temperature. I use Lett's resin, the regular epoxy resin for molds, and I'm going to wait till I get to about 20 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and we'll go through the rest of the video. It's been almost 23 minutes. The resin is warming up and it clocked in at 106 degrees. I'm going to give myself about an ounce and a half for the white mixture and the rest goes in. I'm going to put a little spoonful of white crystal mica. I'm going to use a couple of drops of Lett's Resin Ocean White pigment paste and some Lett's Resin yellow and brown alcohol inks, and you can just watch while I put my mask on and finish the rest. Okay, it's been about 34 minutes. I'm going to stop the timer, clear it. I will check it back in about 4 to 5 hours. I want it to be not tacky, and then I can add the background layer. I can't wait to see what these look like because they look like they're blooming really pretty. Hopefully there's no blobs on the other side, but we'll have to wait and see. So I will be back in 4 to 5 hours. Okay, it's been about 5 hours and they're still flexible, but I can touch them. I can kind of see through it, but I'm pretty optimistic. I have mixed up 8 ounces of Counterculture DIY Fast Set. I use it for top coats and bottom coats if I want kind of a quick curing. It cures in 2 hours. It has a 10-minute working time. And this is actually an older batch that I have, and it's ambered a little bit, but that's fine because we're adding pigment to it. And I want it to be fall feeling, so I'm going to use this little piggy pumpkin pie mica. I'm going to put a nice healthy spoonful in first. It's a little transparent, but I think I like it. Counterculture Spectrum dye, I've got tangerine. It's not an alcohol ink. I'm just going to give a nice healthy squirt. And I'm going to use Gilded, which is a light bright gold, and I'm going to put a healthy spoonful of that. The rule of thumb is never use more than 10% of your mixed resin with additives. So if you're adding inks or dyes or mica or whatever, never use more than 10% overall in your mixture. And that will keep it from hindering your resin from curing for any strange reasons. That gives it more of a golden orange color, which I really like that. Fast Set is very thick, kind of like honey. Again, there's only 10 minutes or so working time. I don't use it for blooms or anything like that, just for top coats and or a solid coat where I need a quick layer that will cure in a couple of hours. I have got a Resiner's curing machine, and I was going to use it on this project, but it does not hold larger coaster molds, 4 of them. It will do 2, but not 4. You might could get 3 in if you stagger it. So I didn't get to use the curing machine this time, but I will show a video on that here in the future. Nice golden orange look. Reminds me of like a pumpkin spice feel. Alright, and I'm going to spritz with alcohol. That releases any surface bubbles. There are a lot of bubbles with Fast Set, but they typically go away. I will be back later to reveal the finished coasters. Okay, it's been several hours, actually the next day, because it was bedtime. So we're going to see what these look like. Okay. So pretty. A bit of blobs, but still very pretty. So there they are. I could have gone probably a little less lines with the white, so that a little bit more of the background showed through, but overall they're very lovely. So there we have it. So I hope you learned something in this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos. I have lots of resin videos, and I will be back to share more with you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.